Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. With the support of custom fields created with MetaBox, you can easily manually add related posts for a post. Then display those posts on the singular page like this. But why manually, not automatically? If you want related posts to be chosen automatically, you should use a tool that will analyze the keywords, tags, categories, or taxonomies of the current post, then choose related ones based on those content. It could be inaccurate if you want a particularly related post to be prior on the list. That's why sometimes you may want to choose related posts manually for more precision. Let's follow this practice now. We will use a custom field that allows you to choose posts from the same post type, or even another post type, that's no matter, to be related with the current post. So, you should have the MetaBox framework that is available on WordPress.org. We also need some MetaBox extensions to have some advanced features. You can install them individually or use MetaBox all-in-one. Here are the extensions that we will use in this practice. MB Views help us create a template to display the related posts on the singular page. This is optional. If you haven't had this extension, you can add code to the themes file, or use a page builder. I will share with you how to do it in two ways, using MB Views, and adding code in detail in this practice. MetaBox Builder. To have a UI on the back end to create the custom field. In the case that you are setting for the posts in a custom post type, you should activate the MB Custom Post Type extension as well. In this practice, I'll use the blog posts, it's for demonstration purposes only, so I did not mention it here. Now, let's get started. Go to MetaBox to create the field. Add a field in the type as post. You can add some description for this field to notify people about the number of posts that should be added. In this setting, you should choose the name of the post type that the related posts are. In another word, only the posts from the chosen post type can be added as related posts. This setting will be Select Advanced in default. It means that this custom field will inherit the style of displaying as a Select Advanced field. If you expect another style, you can click on this box and choose another option from the list. To know more about the style of each option in this setting, you can refer to the documentation of each providing field type. Turn on this option if you want people to choose more than one post in this field. After configuring all options for the field, move to the Settings tab. Set location as post type. Then choose a post type of the post where you want to show related posts. Back to the post editor of your post type. You will see the created field. Click on the field. There will be a list of posts from the post type that you set. You can choose some posts now since we turn on the multiple settings. You also can see that this field displays in the style of a Select Advanced field as I set. To display related posts, we should get the posts that are chosen in the created custom field. Then get their information and show them on the page. As I mentioned before, you can use MB Views to create a template to do it, or add code to the themes file. Notice that even when you are using a page builder, you still can use MB Views following this guide. Go to Views in MetaBox and create a new template. In the Template tab of the view, click on this button. Look for the name of the created custom field. You can choose which information of the post you want to output in the template. Then some lines of code will be added to the template. Since we set the field to allow choosing multiple posts, there will be these lines to get all the posts that are chosen in the created custom field. This is to output the post thumbnail. If you want to display other information of the related post, just click on this once again. and choose the right one from the list. Just repeat this action until you add all the wanted information into the template. You also can change the code to output the data as you want. I changed this to limit the number of displaying characters. Now, move to the Settings section of the view. Set the type as singular, and choose Location for the view as the page you want. It should be all singular for blog posts or the singular page of your custom post type. There are also some options to choose for these two settings. Just choose the ones that you prefer. Now, go to the singular page of a post. All the expected information from the related posts displayed, but so messy. We should go back to the view and add style for the template. I will use CSS to style the posts display, so add some div tags and classes for each element. Here I also add some headings. Embed post URL to the thumbnail and title to make them clickable and link to the post. Then move to the CSS tab and add some code. Back to the page on front end. You will see a new look of the section for the related posts. Go to add some code to the themes files. Look for this file. We will add code with structure like this. We use this function to get data saved in the custom fields. This is the ID of the field. Since we allow people to choose multiple posts in the field, there will be multiple values saved in this field. So, we have this loop to get and output all the values. This is to get and display the title of the related posts. If you want some other information from the post display, just add code inside this loop. Go to the singular page. You will see the title of the posts displayed. Let's display more information about related posts and give this section a good look. I'll replace these lines of code with another one. Actually, it still has the same structure as the old one. Just add some div tags, classes, headings, and embed post URL for styling. I also add these ones to display post thumbnails and post excerpts. It's quite the same as doing with MB views previously. Now just back to the page and see the posts. So, we have done this practice. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you want to try more things, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe us for more tutorials. Bye.